The word love has inspired many works of art, including music, paintings, and poetry. It has also inspired the creation of many of the idioms we use today, but one love idiom reigns above all others. Today I'll tell you what the most popular love idiom is. Without it, most other love idioms don't make much sense. Idioms such as love at first sight and head over heels. What is that idiom? It's to fall in love. To fall in love means to develop feelings or to become enamored with something or someone. For example, I can't stop thinking of Jules. I think I'm falling in love with her. He fell in love with the puppy the moment he laid eyes on it. It was love at first sight. Now you know the most popular love idiom of all time. Use it wisely. Cheers. Peace out.